How to go live on TikTok in 2021 without 1K followers. So what you want to do is simply open the TikTok app. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, so that you can go into your settings. If you scroll down, you want to find the report a problem. Next up, what you want to find is this: one live/payment/rewards, and you want to click on this. Next up, click on hosting a live, and then click on live is suspended or other. I'm going to go live is suspended. Click no. Still have a problem? And then right there you should be able to give them feedback. There we go. So you want to say, "Hi, I was able to go live in the past but not anymore. My followers would love to see me go live. Please enable my live feature again." So you want to say something along with these lines. And then you want to simply click report. Right there. Then you want to wait at least 84 hours. And they will most likely, for most people this will work. Let me know if it works down below. Make sure you go ahead and wait 48 hours.